Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you on how to post a picture on Instagram. So let's get started. As you can see, we're on our homepage now. So we're going to start off by clicking in the top right corner the square that has a cross inside. Now we're going to select the picture of our choice. For example, this one. You can zoom in, zoom out, drag it up and down, center it as you like and please. Now we're going to tap on next. As you can see down here, we have a lot of effects. You can slide on, click some if you like to add an effect or filter. Then we're going to select next. So if you want, you can write a caption, tag someone, add a location, add music. So we're just going to go on and share it. So voila, that's how you post a picture on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.